Oh, hi guys, welcome back. I'll show you guys how you can use the blend tool in Adobe Illustrator, a designing program, so that you can create this cool word mark with thick outlines. So we're going to blend a circular object with another circular object, and then we're going to blend it so that there's this thick outline look. So let's start. So hold the left click button, head over to ellipse tool, or simply type L, and then hold the shift key just like this. And then we're going to change the coloring mode to gradient, and then change it to linear gradient just like this. And then let's start by coloring this with let's color this alright, green for example, light green. And then for the middle one, let's say if we color it light blue. And then for this, a darker shade of purple would do. A lighter shade of purple would do, actually. Hold on. Let's make it like a yellow, something like that. And that works. And then just, make it darker, I guess. Just like this. And then what we're going to do now is to edit the gradient so that, it goes in another direction. Hold on. Alright, all we have to do now is to rotate it just like this. Then we're going to shorten the distance just like so. And then when we're done, make sure that the stroke is set to 0 point. And then we're going to copy, delete this, Control C, and then delete, paste it, Control V, and then Control V again, and then use the Shift key to drag it to the right. Just like this. And then let's make the outlines. So use the pen tool, and then let's say if you want to make the letter T, just like this, do it slowly. Make sure that afterwards you turn off the fill, and then we're going to click on this one, and then you edit the spline so that it's curvy. And then what we're going to do now is to remove the fill. Click on this one and then click on this, and then you simply just select these, but let's blend these circles first. Click on the blend tool and then drag it. Hold on. Alright, all we have to do now is to drag this to this, and then afterwards select the circles alongside the path that we just created, so that the balls will fill the entire outline that we created. Objects, blend, and then replace spline just like this. And then we're going to double click on this and then go to specified steps and then change it to, let's say, 100. As many as you like, actually. Double click on it again, and then let's say if we want 1000. Ah, that looks so smooth, fancy. You've created this amazing word mark that is generated using the duplication of the circular object. And then there are plenty of them, and then we duplicated them so that the circles, as the result of the duplication, will actually go along the path just like this. That's how you can create cool word marks that incorporates thick outlines and this shading as well, by using the shape tool. Blend tool in Adobe Illustrator, a designing program. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao.